Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to transform simple images into stunning videos? Today I'm going to show you how to use Kling AI for image to video conversion. It's free, easy to use, and perfect for beginners. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Visit Kling AI and log in. First, head over to www.klingai.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, check out my previous video on how to create one. It's super simple. Step 2. Access the image to video tool. Once logged in, navigate to the image to video section from the dashboard. This tool is specifically designed for converting images into engaging videos. Step 3. Upload your images. Click on the Upload Images button and select the photos you want to use. Kling AI allows you to upload multiple images, so pick the ones that tell your story. Step 4. Customize your video. After uploading, you can customize your video by adding transitions, effects, and even background music. Kling AI offers a variety of templates to make your video pop. Step 5. Generate and download your video. When you're happy with the customization, click Generate Video. In just a few moments, your video will be ready to download without any watermarks. And there you have it. Turning images into a stunning video with Kling AI is that easy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tips. What will you create with Kling AI? Let me know in the comments. See you next time. Thanks for watching.